Hi, this is Macy from Penbo Display. We are customized shop fixtures manufacturer in Guangzhou, China. Now I'd like to introduce one of our recent cases to you. This one is 4 feet and the height is 8 feet and the depth is 16 inches. And this is mainly used for small shop. Of course, you can use it for other shops. This is sliding glass door. And we use all adjustable valve. You can see this can adjust the height, and we insert the LED lights inside the shelf. For the bottom, we use drawers. This is push out drawers. Thank you for watching and contact us.